Hey everybody, Jake here. I know you're probably thinking after looking at the title and the thumbnail, how could you accidentally create a connector? And it's kind of a funny story. In some ways, we don't even know if this is going to be useful or if you guys are even going to use something like this, but that's kind of why we're making the video, just to ask and kind of see because we're curious. But what happened was our shop manager, JT, had some parts on his workbench, actually two of these inside of the 135 degree connectors sitting like that. And he was like, oh, it looks like a perfect spot for a 90. And he tried it and connected it together and ended up with this. And it worked out. But now it kind of makes sense. Like, I don't know how we didn't think of this sooner, but it's 135 plus 135 plus 90 is 360.
Yes, science!
So it's a 360 degree connector. And the way it works out is there's a pipe directly in the center here, and these other two pipes are at 90 degree angle from each other, and then this pipe kind of splits the middle and creates a Y split there, and then you have this pipe that goes in the center of the connector. So it connects four pieces of conduit together, and yeah, it's something that we don't know if it's going to be useful for a project or exactly what you would use it for. The first time I saw it, I thought it looked like a flux capacitor from Back to the Future.
Flux capacitor. It works! It works!
Yeah, we don't know if you guys are going to use it and if it's something that you want. We don't have it as an option on the site, but it's something we could totally add if it's useful for your project. So definitely let us know. I did think of something that might be useful for is making a frame for, like a projector screen or something. Imagine you have 45 degree connectors connected on the bottom like this and have a pipe running across. That would give you something you could put on the ground or wherever that had a flat bottom and would give you a stand. And if you could do it as wide as you wanted or, change those dimensions. But who knows? Definitely let us know if it's something that you think would be useful or if it rings any bells or gives you guys any ideas for something that you can make with it. We'd definitely love to know. Let us know down in the comments. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.